How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to transcribe your audio messages to text right here on WhatsApp. And the coolest thing about this process is that you don't need to download anything. It's an integrated solution inside the WhatsApp app. And to get even better, those transcriptions work with 30 languages. So not only English, so you'll be able to also transcribe your audio messages in your local language as well. This is so cool, and I bet you're gonna love it. Let's get started. So all you have to do is open up Safari and go to this website, which is transcribeme.app. Okay, as you guys can see, that's how it looks like. You're gonna see all of the information on the screen and a direct link in the description down below. Tap on it, and then you're gonna come straight to this website. Okay, so scroll down a little bit and then add to WhatsApp. And what this is pretty much a chat box that uses AI, and it uses ChatGPT, so it's super smart. And as you saw, this also works for Telegram as well. So if you want to do it on Telegram, it's the exact same process. Okay, so I'm gonna do it on WhatsApp. So then just tap on add to WhatsApp, tap on it, and then as you can see, you're gonna tap here and message right there, and then it's gonna start the chat. And then right here, as you can see, we're gonna chat like it's gonna automatically open a conversation with Transcribe Me. As you can also see, this is a verified account, so it's super safe. You don't need to worry about your privacy or anything like that. This has been verified by Meta. Right? So go ahead here, and you don't even have to do anything, but if you want to register this conversation, just say like hi, right? So then say hi, as you can see, and then you're gonna have it right here on your chats, so it's very easy to find later. All right, and then it's gonna say choose an option, but you don't need to do anything right here. And all you have to do to start transcribing your audio messages is just forward any audio message that you receive to this conversation. So let's do it right now. I'm gonna do it live with you, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead here and open up this conversation with myself, and then I'm gonna create an audio message right now. So as you can see, this is an audio message that I'm recording right here live on YouTube for this video. So let's see if this functionality, if Transcribe Me actually does work. So let's see how it does. I can tap on send, and then as you can see, I tapped on send right here. I received it on my Mac, as you can see right there. And then I can just go ahead, tap and hold right here, and then forward, as you can see, forward the message, and then I'm gonna forward to Transcribe Me, and then forward, as you can see. So then I've just forwarded just like that, okay? And it's gonna start transcribing. As you can see, it's all automatic, and in just a few seconds, it takes like 4 to 5 seconds tops, and then you're gonna see all of the text that I just said in real time right here on WhatsApp. So let it do its thing. And as you can see right here, so as you can see, this is an audio message that I'm recording right here live on YouTube. It's perfect. As you can see, punctuation, it's absolutely perfect, just because, as I said, it uses ChatGPT. It's super smart. It's gonna pick up pretty much 100% accuracy. This is absolutely incredible. And that's pretty much it, guys. So as you can see, Transcribe Me is super easy to use. Just add here to your WhatsApp and start using. Please keep in mind that the free version will let you do up to 20 minutes of transcribing, as you can see right there. And if you want to do more than that, you can get the premium package, which is going to cost you around $2. So it's super cheap. And if you find this useful for you, for your personal life, for work, I think it's super interesting that you go ahead here and get the premium, because this works really well. And in my opinion, and I have tested many other possibilities, as you guys can see here, many other services right there, Transcribe Me is just the absolute best. So I do recommend it, and it works really well. Okay, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this was helpful to you. So until WhatsApp actually releases this native feature for everyone, I think Transcribe Me is the best option. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video as usual, guys. Bye bye.